Alright, this thing's ready to be started. Coolant lines here. And the exhaust. Electrical is right here. Which connects here into the ground. The ignition. Oil pressure. And fuel. Up to here, and here's the throttle. Vacuum gauge. We are ready to go. Which one?
That wasn't ground, by the way. That was for your starter.
I want to film this here.
All right, let's go ahead and give this a try. Hold the throttle. Is the gas open?
Yeah, I got the gas on.
All right, go right ahead. Assuming the gauge is good, what do you think?
Oh, it's ready off. All right, take two.
You're looking at that